Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and today we just got a mail call from Vivosun. We've got their inline duct ventilation fan, the 6-inch 440 CFM model, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing for you. So let's open her up and see how she's packed. Alrighty, we got the factory seal popped here. Let's open her up. So the first thing we'll find is a nice little product catalog. So put that aside. Next thing we find is something special on them, and that is 10% off, guys. What? With claim code Vivosun6. Go ahead. So welcome to the garden and welcome to the unboxing, guys. Next thing we find inside here is our manual. Open it up here. Pretty simple, small manual. Now it's packaged with a little styrofoam. We'll open that up. We've got a little bracket here. So we'll put that bracket aside. And then you can see it comes packaged here in plastic. Let's go ahead and open that up. Looks nice and tidy. No damage on shipping, which is great. And this is not the variable speed model. This is just simply the 6-inch inline with a set speed. Okay, I've got it out of the box here, so let me take it out. Pretty simple, basic Vivosun fan. There is your plug. Here is the back side. So here's a couple other things I wanted to show you real quick, and that is this is where the mounting bracket goes on the fan. And then I thought I'd go ahead and plug it in real quick and give it a whirl and let you guys hear it. Okay, so I'm going to be real careful to hold this by the sides. Don't suggest you do this at home. Don't stick your fingers in here. Don't stick your fingers in there, okay? I'm gonna actually go ahead and grab it by the junction box here, and we're just gonna give it a quick plug in. All right, so let's plug her in. Oh yeah. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.